Today I'm going to show you how to make Blueberry Butterfly Cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of butter or margarine, 3 eggs and 150 grams of blueberries, either frozen or fresh. To your caster sugar add your margarine and cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and give it a good mix. And then add your self-raising flour and mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then add your blueberries and mix in until well distributed. Then to a cupcake tray lined with cupcake cases, you want to divide your mixture in between each cupcake case. And you want to bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for the buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of milk. To your icing sugar add your butter. Ideally you want your butter at room temperature, and then you want to mash your butter into your icing sugar as much as you possibly can do. So this is the way of doing it without a mixer. However, if you do have a mixer, by all means chuck the icing sugar and the butter into the mixer and mix until well combined. Once your butter and icing sugar is as combined as you can possibly get, you then want to add your milk in a little bit at a time, mixing it until you have the consistency of buttercream that you want. Then to your cupcakes, you want to cut out the centre of the cupcake. Then fill the centre of the cupcake with the buttercream. And then with the section that you cut out, you want to cut your cone in half and then place on top of the cupcake so then it creates a butterfly effect. And then I just sprinkled mine with a little bit of icing sugar to make it look pretty, but that is completely optional. And there you have it. That's how you make Blueberry Butterfly Cupcakes.